What's good, besties? It's your girl EarthAngel, naturally all up on your screen again. Yes, it's me right here. Now, this is a public broadcast. Stop what you're doing, put out the children, lock door, cover your pot, cover your Dutch pot, cover everything. Listen to what I'm about to say. I am launching a new segment of Wild Thoughts Wednesday where I'm going to have a Wild Thoughts Q&A. So you can send me an email at askearthangelnaturally@gmail.com and your question can be answered on a video on a Wednesday. As much as I can, maybe a Friday, maybe a Thursday, but it will be featured. So you can send me your emails there. You can also post questions to my Instagram page at EarthAngel_naturally on Instagram, and you can also post questions to my Facebook page at EarthAngel Naturally, and your questions will be answered right here. It's time to party. Yeah. No. So send me your questions about anything. You can ask me about myself. You can ask me about yourself. You can ask for advice, questions about anything that you might want me to give my opinion on. Whatever the case may be, you can hit me up with that. I'm really excited to hear from you guys. And I'm really excited about this whole thing. It's kind of nice. It feels good. So you guys can do that. And I mean, since we're already in this video, why not? Like this video, comment down below, and you can also put your questions at the comment section of this video. That can work too. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Facebook. Yes, I am clapping because I need you to do what I'm saying. So do that. What else do I need y'all to do? Share this video. Subscribe to my channel. All of the above. Links to my pages are in the description bar below. So remember, you can send me your questions. And I will see you